Yo, it's Midas. This is my first video where I show my face, but welcome guys. This is the first video on one of the big IPOs happening this week, and that's FIGR, the next big IPO that I believe, like Bullish and Figma. It's a blockchain-based lender, and backers seek 526 million from this IPO. So disclaimer, everything said in this video is only for educational purposes. Make sure to always do your own research. But this is why you should listen to Midas. I beat the S&P by 103x in less than a year. If you want the proof, check it out in my link in bio. And this is where you can find all my stock picks. You can check it out on my link in bio on the YouTube description. Let's talk about FIGR. So what is FIGR Technologies, also known as FIGR? Well, it's a financial technology company that leverages blockchain to modernize lending, capital markets, and asset management. It was founded by co-founders of SoFi Technologies, another big pick, and a company that's run up 200% in the last year or so. They're based in San Francisco, California. They have a focus developing blockchain-based infrastructure for financial services, including lending payments and asset management. And they also have the blockchain platform, which utilizes this blockchain to enhance transparency, efficiency, and liquidity in financial transactions. And these are the key products of FIGR. So they have a home equity line of credit, which is they offer this line of credit with faster funding times compared to traditional methods. And they also have a private credit marketplace, providing a platform for loan obligation or origination, funding, and secondary market activity, connecting over 175 partners. And they also have this digital asset services where they facilitate crypto-backed loans and other digital asset-related financial services. And these are the financial highlights of FIGR. They have this 2025 H1 revenue of 191 million, which is a 22.4% increase year over year. For their profit, 29 million in the first half of 2025, reversing a $13 million loss from the same period in 2024. Now, for my bull case on FIGR as a company, let's talk about their innovative blockchain-powered lending platform. So this blockchain utilizes a public, transparent blockchain to enhance efficiency and liquidity in financial transactions. They also offer a home equity line of credit, offering faster funding times compared to traditional methods, with a significant reduction in processing costs. Now, with the private credit marketplace, they provide a platform for loan obligation, funding, and secondary market activity, connecting over 175 partners. They also have a lot of strategic partnerships and market expansion, where their geographic reach has expanded operations to 49 states and in Washington, D.C., including recent launches in New York and Delaware. For partnerships, they formed a joint venture with Sixth Street, bringing over 2 billion of liquidity and stability to the non or agency mortgage markets. For market positioning with market timing, the IPO comes amid favorable US regulatory conditions for crypto under the Trump administration. For example, the Genius Act or the Big Beautiful Bill, which positions FIGR to capitalize on the growing demand for blockchain-powered financial services. Now, for my long-term growth potential of FIGR, one of the main things is with the tokenization of assets. It's positioned to lead in the tokenization of illiquid assets, so like real-world assets. Yeah, I talk about this a lot on this channel with On Finance and World Liberty Financial. But this is a market of opportunity valued at over 130 billion, you know, with stable coins and all that, with Circle and Gemini and Bullish, other companies that are very bullish on stablecoins. Also, with the sector leadership, as blockchain adoption accelerates in the financial markets, FIGR's innovative platform and strategic positioning places it at the forefront of the next generation of capital markets. Now, a price target is coming soon, but this is the FIGR valuation, and the numbers are currently out right now. Some of its backers are seeking to raise 526 million in initial public offering. The valuation up to 4.1 billion, and they plan to offer market shares for $18 to $20 per share, offering 21.5 million shares, and the shareholders are selling 4.9 million shares. I believe this IPO date is currently on 9/10, or either 9/10, 9/11, or 9/12. There's three different IPOs this week. So whichever day search that up, that's the day of FIGR's IPO. If you have any questions about FIGR or any of the big IPOs or any stocks or crypto, give me a comment below and I'll respond when I can. I'm also launching an exclusive Discord called the Midas Circle. If you want real-time stock and crypto calls, access to my full portfolio, become financially free, and join a community of hungry degens, you can join on my link in bio. But if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and like for more. Thank you for your support, guys. That's all for today. Today's video was on FIGR, the next big IPO like Bullish and Figma. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.